Bro.
Why would you bring it like that,
Bro.
Welcome back to Moto Devil. Today, we won't waste much time talking, so let's jump straight into the first situation.
And you're on your phone. You moved right at last second and you're on your phone.
I'm on hands-free, you silly
It's in your fucking hand, how can it be hands-free? Yeah, what are you gonna fucking do?
Is he on hands-free? Listen to him.
You had it in your hand.
I'm talking to you, silly.
I'm talking to you.
Oh, you come beside me, you threaten me.
I didn't threaten you, you got out.
You're shouting at me in an aggressive manner, that's threatening me.
Get back in your car before I knock your fucking head off.
You silly.
I'm telling you now,
Who's at me?
I'll kick your head in.
Bio, come
Me?
down there, then one-on-one.
Shut up, you head.
You're gonna knock me out, aren't you?
Fucking knobhead. You think you're a fucking big man? You fucking know.
He came up to me and started on me, come on. Yeah. Go on. Go on.
Get in your fucking car now. Get in your car.
What's your registration?
Get in your car. Take a fucking picture of it.
You. Go on.
Huh? I can't hear you, mate. I can't hear you.
Stop.
What?
Stop. So, is it smart to be doing burnouts in the middle of the road?
Huh?
Is it smart to be doing burnouts in the middle of the road?
I don't know, something's with my bike.
Okay, so you were doing a burnout. Your suspension's got nothing to do with you doing a burnout down there.
What?
Shut the bike off and take your helmet off. If you can't hear me, shut the bike off, take your helmet off.
I can hear you.
Okay, is it intelligent to be doing burnouts in the middle of the street?
I don't think so.
Okay, were you just doing one? I saw you and heard you.
Yeah, like I said, there's something up with my bike.
Okay, so doing a burnout is what's fixing it?
I don't think so.
Okay, have a good day.
Have a good day.
You too.
Hon ligger och söver där inne på dagarna och eftermiddagarna för hon jobbar natt. Hon är helt galen ibland. Det är just här utanför henne och så otroligt mycket på kvällarna.
Det är det jag visste för.
Vad sa du?
Det är det jag visste för.
Ja, det är lugnt. Jag fattar. Jag sa det också. Killar, fan, de tycker det är göl alltså. Ja, men fan, jag måste ju kunna sova någonstans här. Så att jag köper det till 100%, va?
Ja.
Men kan vi ta det lite lugnare så hade det varit jävligt bra.
Ja,
det funkar, va? Ja, det är suveränt.
Ja.
Kanon.
Ha det bra. Oh. Go, go o no go. No entiendo nada. A mí que se aclaren. Go o no go. Ok. Good morning.
Comment?
Ah, je ne comprends pas français.
Tu parles français, tu ne comprends pas. Tu fais quoi ici?
Yeah, I compré en español.
Quoi?
For music.
Ça c'est quoi?
For music, for listen with
Tu es
connecting.
venu faire quoi ici?
I go to Douala.
You come do it for here.
Yes, I was in Bamenda sleeping and then I have to go to Douala.
You don't take the woman there, woman.
Woman?
You don't knock them.
What is that? Ok. Vamos, que me ha vacilado y ya está. Es lo que quieren. Pues hasta luego. Estoy buscando caña de azúcar que está riquísima. Y la he visto antes, la he dejado. ¡Halo!
Here's an interesting situation involving the police. So let's take a look at what happened.
Oh my god! Woohoo! Oh! Oh my god, hopefully there's nobody behind me. Oh my god! Woohoo! Oh! Oh shit, I did not get saved. Oh my god, I got pulled over. Hey, how are you? No, I don't like staying between cars. It bothers me at nighttime, so that's why I was trying to get around the car and go on the side. He started going next to me fast, so that's why I let him go.
Okay, yeah, I saw him.
Yeah.
He was trying to out.
I was just trying to go on the side. I don't like staying with the cars at nighttime.
You were rolling about 75, and then
Yeah, I just wanted to get to the side.
got to like 80 plus.
Yeah, I just wanted to get to the side. That's all.
Oh, you got your license on you?
Yes, I got it. I'm sorry, my hands are kind of numb.
Just slow it down for me a little bit.
Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Let's take a look at this very interesting situation. Luckily, the driver was recording the whole time, and when the young man got into an argument with another driver, he simply reminded him that everything was captured on camera. Now you'll see who was actually at fault.
He might have hit him. He might have hit the white truck and the white truck's going after him. I don't know. But the whole time I've been driving, the white car's been cutting everyone off, driving super fast, going absolutely insane. So he's at fault. He just ran a red. He just ran a red light. They just hit each other. They just hit each other. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hey. 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 Bro. Bro, you've been driving crazy this whole time. I saw you. I got it on video, bro. Just leave. Get out of here. Yeah, I got it. You've been driving like a maniac. You want to pull it over to the side? Pull over. Somebody's phone is laying here all broken. Oh, you just spit on him. Okay, bro, you have fun in jail. You just spit at him. I just stopped him from fighting.
Well, thing's on. I'm alright, how are you?
You got your last refresher insurance on you?
Of course. I got you, I appreciate it. Thanks, man. Have a good day, guys. Alright, let's get out of here before I get in trouble again. Because my big mouth.
This biker wanted to have some fun with other drivers, and I have to admit, he came up with a truly original trick.
Hello. I'm okay. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't take it on the road or nothing. I know better than to do that.
What is this thing?
It's a 125 SSR pit bike. I picked it up 2 weeks ago on a Saturday.
Really?
Yep, 900 bucks out the door, brand new.
Is it?
Yeah.
What price is it?
Probably like 40, 45. Yeah.
That's actually pretty
Yeah.
They're supposed to be, just so you know, they're supposed to be
In Holly?
Yeah.
I hope they do. I know about the mounds, but I got out of work at like 4:30 and I was like, yeah, by the time I get out there.
It's supposed to be open that, I think, this summer. It's all done, they just got to.
Yeah.
Alright, man. Make sure you get a parking.
Oh, okay.
Alright, buddy.
Thank you. You too.
To wrap up the episode, we have a few more interesting situations. Thank you for watching our episode. For more exciting episodes, make sure to subscribe to our channel and, of course, leave comments about the situations you found the most interesting. A big shout out to everyone from your Moto Devil.